force shaping the world. A future full of passion and promise. New energy technologies are opening a brand new chapter in the era of energy. EASYWAY Energy, with passion and vision, is committed to global carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals and the green development agenda, leading the way in energy storage development. In 2003, a journey into new energy began here. EASYWAY Energy, founded in Suzhou, rooted in Wuhan, and expanding across the world. EASYWAY Energy has been dedicated to energy storage batteries since its establishment, serving customers in more than 100 countries. From Europe, Africa, to the Americas, we have built a comprehensive global market presence and a warehousing network, a continuously expanding global footprint. Advancing steadily, we are continuously innovating. Today, guided by a global development strategy, we focus on high-quality lithium batteries and integrated energy storage systems, continuously empowering industry development, delivering reliable and efficient renewable energy solutions to customers worldwide. This is a journey of advanced intelligent manufacturing. EASYWAY Energy believes in the power of digital intelligence and smart manufacturing. Our core production base spans over 18,000 square meters, equipped with 10 advanced automated production lines, forming a smart factory, producing 5 megawatt-hour of high-quality energy storage products daily. Through technology and efficiency, we are redefining the standards of smart manufacturing in energy storage. This is a path of outstanding quality. EASYWAY Energy believes that quality is the most important commitment to customers. From cell sorting to laser welding, from module assembly to aging testing, every process is strictly controlled. We fully implement 5S management, and our products have obtained internationally recognized certifications such as CE and IEC. With modular design, our solutions flexibly adapt to residential, commercial, and various application scenarios. This is a path of wholehearted service. From production, operations, export, warehousing, to final delivery, we have built a comprehensive service system. Backed by a 10-year warranty and online technical support, EASYWAY Energy delivers not just a product, but a complete set of services covering the entire product lifecycle, supported by a robust global network and 24/7 online response. We serve with dedication, honoring every trust placed in us. While some pursue the present, we envision the future. Driven by long-term thinking and a commitment to exceeding customer expectations, we believe the future of new energy belongs to those pioneers who are grounded in action and global in vision. EASYWAY Energy is driven by renewable energy technologies, and together with you, we move toward a green future. EASYWAY Energy, your trusted global partner in renewable energy.